Welcome to my channel. I'm in Jamaica and I'm cooking some ackee and saltfish. Yeah. This is the real deal, straight from the tree. This is how it looks. You see it? Yeah. We remove this. Just remove the seed. All right, put it separate, and then we open it up. We open it up like this. And we remove this part, the pink part inside here. We remove this, clean it out, Here now. Hope you can see it good. So this is the pink part. This is the part that I took out. Okay. So that's how we clean up our ackee. I put the water to boil, then I add a little bit of salt to that water. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm doing. Freshly chopped seasoning that I'll be using: scallion, thyme, onion, and the good scotch bonnet pepper. I'm telling you, these fresh seasoning are so good. I've already added the oil to the pot. All right, let's do this. Whoa, okay. Stir this up. Add the saltfish now. I didn't show you how I cook and pick up the saltfish because I have another video that shows you exactly how to do this. So that's it. Add our saltfish. Give it a nice stir. All right. Okay. All right, so time to add our ackee. Cook. There we go, and give it a stir. So this is it, my ackee and saltfish, freshly cooked on the island. You know, when you get the fresh ackee from the tree, this makes a difference. And you don't have to use all that scotch bonnet pepper that I use because we Jamaican like our food spicy. Well, I know I do, but I try to limit the amount that I use, especially when I'm, gonna feed other people. So go easy upon the scotch bonnet pepper because it act, so you can use a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning to the ackee and saltfish. Season up with thing. Alright, so that's good. Guess what? I don't have any black pepper. I went to the grocery store and forgot to buy black pepper. Can't believe I left supermarket and never remember to buy the black pepper. So, what me I do? You know what I'm gonna do? when I go out later on, I'm gonna go out today. I'm just gonna buy some black pepper and then just sprinkle it on top of it. Just add the black pepper to it, you know. Uh-huh. No, not a big deal. But you know, I love to have my black pepper for my ackee and saltfish. Uh-huh. Yeah. It's ready, freshly cooked. So this is it.